Alright guys, third date and time on a ground fire 620, and right now we happen to be standing in the lobby of Circle Hall in Elmhurst, Illinois. Take a look at that artwork right there. Look at that. Isn't that amazing or what? Wow. Piece of artwork there. There's a plaque that shows the name of the building, as well as where everything is. And over here, we happen to have an elevator we're gonna ride. This elevator happens to be a Schindler HD 330A, the premium call station. So here we are, here it is. Nice gap here. Let's go down to the ground level. Interesting how they label it G instead of B. So now we're gonna watch the indicator here. So here are ground level. Now we go up to 3. Seems to run okay, despite the minor rattling it has. And we set her up at 3. Now let's back down to the ground level. Now let's get our cab view. It's actually a pretty nice elevator for a classroom building. Fancy design for the carpet down there, somewhat. There's your Schindler HD lantern. It's your indicator. Here's your COP right here. Certificate of inspection. And there's your phone. Now let's go back up to 1 and then there. And there's some event that apparently some Leaders in Education event taking place February 11th. Well, it took place February 11th, and it's also taking place March 10th and April 14th here in Circle Hall, it looks like. I guess there's an opportunity for some students to do. So now we're going to ring the bell. We're also going to ring the up chime, just for the heck of it. Seems to take a couple seconds to register the call. So anyways, we're gonna watch this close up. There it goes. And that's it.